Welcome to the 55th issue of the Horseman's Gazette, a quarterly video series that enables you to watch and learn from some of the most talented instructors working with horses and riders today. We've saved you a seat on the corral fence, so climb on up and get ready to learn some great techniques and approaches to incorporate into your horsemanship. In this issue, you'll learn the joys of working together to start a colt, how to use ground poles to develop proper movement patterns, how the lead rope can act like a round pen in your groundwork, and how to open a gate from horseback without losing your cool. Becoming a better horseman is a lifelong process, and if you're serious about becoming the best you can be, now you can enjoy having access to some of the best resources in the horsemanship world. So come along for the ride. You and your horse will be glad that you did. Moving your horse around you on the lead rope before you get on is a way to check in with him and make sure he's not tight, lame, or unready in some other way. In this segment, Joe moves his horse around on the lead rope and points out several teachable moments while he's doing his groundwork, looking not only for what the horse is not doing well, but also focusing on what he's doing right. Being able to open a gate from horseback is a real-world job that you're likely to encounter when riding out. Alice Trindle helps you accomplish this task without throwing your horsemanship out the window. She guides you through preparing yourself and your horse to operate the gate while keeping your horseman's protocol intact and taking the time it takes to get your horse comfortable. Enjoy a lesson with Arrow, an older mare with some soundness issues that her owner and Nishan have worked through in a variety of approaches. In this lesson, ground poles set in a circle are used to help the horse develop proper movement patterns so that she can understand what's being asked of her, not only in her mind, but in her body. Nishan also addresses creating a positive learning environment while schooling, so that no horse or rider feels like they have to protect themselves. Continuing from prior issues, in this final installment, David Hillman and Gene Armstrong collaborate in a truly inspiring way to help a young horse who arrived to be started with some history. Watch this young horse start to make some pretty incredible changes in how she responds to being handled and ridden. Please enjoy this opportunity to experience what a joy it is to work with someone else to help find what's best for the horse.